Hey y'all, Flying High Five here. We'll call this one Flying High Five from the kitchen. Yeah, it's cold outside, so I don't have any water. So I got the tank all welded up, and I know it's all right. Yeah, I'll give you a look. So bottom of the tank, it's fairly smoothed out, not too bad. Got a couple spots I know are gonna leak. But I should be able to get a pretty good estimate of how much fuel this thing will hold. So we're gonna be like Count Chocula here. You guys are gonna like this. Just count along at home, kids. There, in case you've never seen a sink before. There you go. You got the peanut gallery here laughing at me. It's all good. So this tank was originally about 4 gallons, so I'm thinking it should be 6 or more gallons now. So let's see if it holds anything. Alright, that's one. Yeah, I got a couple spots leaking out. Not too bad. I don't know if I'm going to get an accurate reading here, but probably need some bubble gum to seal up these little holes or something. And this is probably one of my most boring videos that all 6 of you guys have watched. There's 2. And I'm assuming by what it's I'm assuming by how full it is, it might actually be close to 8 or 8.5 gallons. Because, of course, we still aren't here where the tank is bigger, and we're maybe a quarter of the way up. So, this is going to be 3. You know, if I had one of them fancy coffee cups like our Peak has there, and I'd stick it on the side of this thing and see how full it is. You know, them coffee full gauges or something like that. Actually, that's a pretty cool cup, but I don't drink enough coffee during the day to get nothing like that. Let's see how this is coming along. Got a couple pinholes on the front of this thing, so I'll show you all the leaks here in a minute. I think that's 4. see here, nice view of the kitchen. You can see I got a couple there around that valve. I know that's leaking. Obviously there's one there, and then see a little leak there in the front. But overall, I'm already up about here with this, so not too bad. Okay, this is going to be 5. I probably could have used a utility sink downstairs and saved the mess in the kitchen, but what fun is that, right? I mean, come on now. Pretty sure this is 6. I think it was probably, looking at it now, it's probably about a 7-gallon capacity. Got something else seeping up here. Oh! Alright, so we're that much short of 7 gallons. And you see that there, we're full. And we got a leak coming right there. A couple of them down there, not too bad though. Not bad for a rookie that's never made a gas tank before. And 7 gallons of water. It's heavy too, in case you were curious. Anyways, thanks for watching. That's our capacity test, leak test. So not too bad for a rookie. Thanks for watching. Bye.